Hi ho, Keegan's Vlog here. Welcome to What's That Klunk?
What's that clunk?
What's that klunk?
What's that clunk?
What's that klunk?
What's that clunk? That sounds like a rattly pad. Does this have discs in the back too?
No. Drums in the back.
Oh yeah, it's up here. Yeah, it's definitely up here.
What's that klunk? Is it A, a rattling pad? Is it B, a caliper that is not properly attached to the vehicle, to the knuckle?
Is it C, an entirely loose wheel?
Or is it D, a foreign object?
Who knows?
Who knows? So we're gonna go find out.
Right into the shop?
Yeah.
Yeah,
That's what it is.
It's a rattly pad.
Rattling pad.
That should be easy, right?
How do you fix it?
Is there a rattle? Maybe the piston on that side is stuck. Is there two pistons? Is there a piston on the outside?
No. There's no piston on the outside. Okay. Yep. That piston does not look happy. It doesn't look like it's leaking. Okay, we've gone from what's that clunk to why is that clunk clunking? So, how do we stop the clunk? So right now, looks like the right answer here is
caliper.
Right answer here is replace the calipers.
Well, clean. I think clean.
We're gonna see if we can make it not clunk.
Fucking parts can and everything.
I would just enjoy not clunking down the street at low speeds. Seems to be fine at high speeds. At least I can't hear it.
Yeah. It's not fine at high speeds. It's just muffled by the other noises at high speeds.
We're talking about this aerodynamic beauty.
All right. In the exciting conclusion of what's that rattle?
We got an extra carload of people just to test.
Yeah.
It's a very, very good thing to do to take a bunch of people with you on a test drive, just in case something's wrong.
Live studio
That's right.
audience.
You got my phone number.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah. Does he have a car big enough to pick us all back up? No. I don't hear the rattle.
I don't hear the rattle anymore. Rattle and hum. And they're listening to rattle and hum. There's one
ray of hope.
Try
And
it.
it's Queen. I think we got it. Because it was like it was distinctly loud before we did whatever we did. I think that caliper was just stuck.
Yep.
If we just like
I think I hear it.
I don't hear it at all.
I hear it coming from this side now.
Yeah.
Yep. I hear it coming from this side now. To the Bat Cave! Kerplunk. We done. Thanks for watching. What's that?
Klunk? Ooh, what's that klunk? Ooh, what's that klunk? Ooh, ooh, ooh. What's that klunk? Ooh, what's that klunk? Ooh, what's that klunk?